Bonjour, nous sommes de retour d'une journée d'exploration en baie de la Havane.
Hi, we are back from an exploration day in Havana Bay, together with an international team of scientists from Norway and Cuba.
La journée a effectué des prélèvements d'eau de mer.
They have spent the day sampling seawater in order to determine the concentration of plastics and their influence on the fauna.
Maritime. Et donc nous sommes de retour, c'était une journée compliquée.
This was a tricky day because of sea conditions sometimes, and a good part of the team got seasick.
Except it's not permitted, I think. Maybe too much, but
Yeah, we'll just take subsamples of the water.
but we can store it temporarily in the green ones.
Hans-Peter, you can explain me very quickly what you are doing now with that?
Okay, well this sampler, it's called a Nansen water sampler. You lower it down with both sides open.
Yes.
To a certain depth that you want.
Okay.
And then once you got that depth, then you release the weight, and then it'll slide down and then trigger this locking mechanism to take a water sample at that depth.
And what you are looking for inside?
Well, what we're going to do with this water is we're going to filter it on a very fine filter paper. So
Okay.
it has a porosity of about 1 micrometer.
Okay.
And then so we'll collect all the particles that are bigger than 1 micrometer.
So it's plastic?
It'll be plastic, it'll be phytoplankton, it'll
something
be
else.
minerals.
Okay.
And then so the next trick is to take these filters and to look at them.
Okay.
And to see, count the number of microplastics so we get an idea of the concentration.
And sometimes you take some fish? No.
Hasn't happened yet, but I'm hoping.
I'm hoping, yes.
This is probably the least efficient fishing method. So if we get a fish, we're really good fishermen.
Yes. Can you explain us how does it work with the net? How you use it and why?
Sí, la red la utilizamos como un medio de arrastre para recolectar el plancton.
The manta net acts as a sort of funnel, allowing to collect plankton in seawater as well as microplastics, in order to study and quantify the level of contamination in this part of the ocean.
Que tenemos en las aguas.
This vessel offers the advantage of a rather slow pace, easily matching the 2-knot speed needed for the manta net study.
So we see a lot of floating seaweed and type of like that, and we have some wood. But there are some things I would suspect already as microplastics, like these blue fibers here. But there is more plastic than I'd like to see. Yeah. And the white one? This is a very common one. You see the white one?
This one?
White one. This is polystyrene. It's one of the most common types that you find. Yeah, I mean it's a reason why a lot of people want polystyrene banned. And there's a lot more, of course, that we can't see with the naked eye.
Wait.
And this is what we're particularly interested in. So I can imagine any animal that eats this grass would also eat the plastic that's stuck inside. That's a beautiful sample of micro and macro plastic together.
Puede ser, mira. Ahora se hombre, cuando él no viene soltando la estela así de suciedad.
Après ces journées d'exploration scientifique, nous allons...
After this scientific exploration day, we are back at sea for our next episode between Cuba and the Dominican Republic.